Good morning, loves. It's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds, and we are here in the camper by the river, by the casino, um, just trying to get things going. Um, if you're new to my channel, I'm Steph. Welcome, welcome. And usually I'm doing unboxings and stuff, but I've had to put it in reverse. And my sweetheart passed away, and so life changed very dramatically. And um, I'm going on a different journey. So I've been selling my luxury collection, which had become quite extensive. And and you can see on each unboxing which items that I still have available for sale. And what where I'm selling is on eBay, and that's the eBay store. Some amazing things, and some amazing things, and I've had that store since at least 2004. I owned a retail store before, called The Attic in Auburn, and it was part closeout, part consignment, cutesy, very, very well done though. And I partnered with Dillard's on buying some clearance, before they had a clearance center. But I won't disclose that particular store or anything that worked out with. But anyway, which is Dillard's is a department store here in the South. And so anyway, it was really cute. But what I would have left, you can see on the unboxing videos if you'll check the rest of the videos out on my channel. But anyway, I've recently had an issue, and I don't know what the deal is about selling Louis Vuitton, or why it's such a pain in the butt. And I don't know if it's because I have more of it than the rest of it. But at first, I had really good luck selling the bandios. And then, just lately, it's been cursed. And I had just sold one to a little girl out in Texas, and a pair of Tory boots to a lady out in California. And both needed them ASAP. Did my due diligence. Took them to FedEx. Excuse me. Here lately with FedEx, I let them help me box it. I videotape it. I take pictures. We're covered all the way, particularly with the Louis Vuitton items, because, like I said, I've had so much trouble with those. Excuse me, coffee break. And so, geez. Anyway, long story short, the woman in California, fabulous, fabulous. The girl in Texas, not so much. Um, so anyway, and I may do a short vlog later on that whole incident. But yeah, like I said, something about the Louis just makes people crazy. And I mean, it was the Christmas scarf from 2022 or 2023, and a bandio. And so, I mean, and she said she had purchased it to wear to a party. It's the reason she needed it ASAP, which usually on those items I ship ASAP anyway. It's the safest way to ship. And so, but anyway, rush. The guy at FedEx that usually helps me pack up my items accidentally swap the labels on the boxes when you put the labels on the box. So the girl that was supposed to get the boots got the bandio, and the girl that was supposed to get the bandio got the boots. Well, the girl with the bandio opted for a refund, and I told her, I said, okay, I'm sorry, for the mistake and everything. That was my mistake, acting like it was my mistake, because it was not my mistake. And the girl automatically, first of all, she left me negative feedback before she even contacted me. And that right there is a red flag that somebody's playing the game, that they're going to twist your arm with that feedback to get you to do something. And I don't like that. I don't like being manipulated. And so anyway, long story short, that's why I got the negative feedback. I took the negative feedback rather than deal with her. So, yeah, because people like that, you're going to lose. You're going to lose either which way it goes. They got you on the feedback. So, no matter whether you take the negative feedback or whether you lose the money and the time or whatever to deal with them and whatever demands that they make or insinuate for you to fix that. And yeah, if I don't like that, that's feedback manipulation. And if they can hardcore pin you for it, they will. But there are workarounds on that, unfortunately. So there you have it. But anyway, so there are things that you just deal with in selling these luxury items. And they won't tell you that when they tell you on these vlogs, oh, it's an investment. You better think about that. If you're gonna buy it to wear it, love it, and to keep it, because that's your best option. Can you get your money back out of it? Can you get a rusty nail out of your foot? I'm doing well down here, trying to hold on and keep the water going, at least still above freezing. Love you guys. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you've ever dreamed of. I hope you don't get sick in the cold like me. I'm prone to getting sick, and being sick since COVID anyway. I love you guys for dealing with me. So wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you've ever dreamed of. Please know that you are worth it. And I appreciate you. See you on the next vlog.